In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your social media accounts in HubSpot. This is a vital step to streamline your social media management and enhance your marketing strategy. To get started, navigate to the main HubSpot dashboard. Once you're there, find the Marketing tab on the top navigation bar. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear, then select Social. This will bring you to HubSpot's social media management tool. From this social dashboard, you'll see the option to manage and schedule your social media posts. Look for the Connect Account button, usually prominently displayed. Clicking this button will initiate the process of linking your social media accounts to HubSpot. Now, a new window will prompt you to select the social media platform you wish to connect. Here, you'll typically find options like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X, formerly known as Twitter. Select the platform you're interested in connecting. For instance, if you choose Facebook, you'll be directed to a login page specific to Facebook. Enter your credentials to log into your Facebook account. It's important to have your login information ready, as HubSpot will require your social account credentials to connect and manage your pages properly. After logging in, HubSpot will prompt you to allow certain permissions. This is necessary for HubSpot to manage posts and gather analytics on your behalf. You'll see an authorization page detailing these permissions, such as HubSpot's ability to post content and gather insights regarding your social activity. It's crucial to understand that permitting these settings allows HubSpot to fully utilize its features and provide you with the comprehensive data needed for effective social media management. Once the permissions are granted and the connection established, a confirmation message will appear in HubSpot. Congratulations, your social media account is now connected to HubSpot. This integration means you can now schedule and publish posts directly from HubSpot, as well as track their performance and analytics all in one central location. This streamlined approach saves time and centralizes your marketing efforts. Remember, regularly checking your analytics is key to refining your marketing strategy. With HubSpot, you can easily monitor the performance of your posts, evaluate engagement metrics, and adjust your content plan accordingly. If you manage multiple social accounts, repeat this process for each one to consolidate your social media efforts effectively. By connecting your social accounts to HubSpot, you'll gain a powerful tool that helps manage your online presence with ease, ensuring you reach your marketing goals efficiently. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.